Hello and welcome to our class at the Center for Adult Learning. I'm your teacher, John Young, and I'm really happy to have you with us. We are going to do a lot of things that will improve your reading and writing, maybe improve your understanding of the world and our nation, learn about such things as your constitutional rights and other matters. Of course, one objective will be for you to acquire that high school diploma that you so desperately want. And to that end, once you show some of that ability to write and read better, we're going to move you up into the pre-GED course, or what we call college prep course. And then maybe after you get that diploma, we can enroll you at Front Range Community College, and you can reach even higher. I have been teaching for a few years. I am an English comp instructor, and I teach journalism at Front Range in addition to teaching this course. Before that, I had a newspaper career. I lived in this place, Waco, Texas, right in the smack dab in the middle of the state of Texas. Lived there for 25 years, raising a family. I was editor or opinion editor of this newspaper, the Waco Tribune-Herald, where I wrote editorials and columns for the newspaper. We'll talk about writing opinion one of these days in class. Before that, I was editor of this newspaper, the Valley Courier newspaper in Alamosa, Colorado. That's in southern Colorado. You may not know where Alamosa is, but I bet you know, or at least have heard about this place, this Great Sand Dunes National Park. Fact is that from my window on the outskirts of Alamosa, while I was down there, I could see the sand dunes and the Sangre de Cristo Range behind it. Pretty spectacular. Well, after living in Texas for all those years, we were happy to move back to Fort Collins a few years ago, and for me to start teaching. It's been great. Our class is fun, and we're going to learn a lot. As I said, I teach some college classes here, English Comp and Journalism, and one of the most special things that happens is when someone who's been in the Center for Adult Learning shows up in my English Comp class at Front Range. Now that is worth a celebration. So I hope that's going to be you one of these days. Let's see if we can make that happen. Well, let's get going.